University of Mindanao Alumni Association Incorporated. It's a separate body. We are registered as SEC. And our purpose is, of course, to continue our connection with the graduates. Ayan ang role niya. No? We reshape our new graduates, tulungan na makahanap ng trabaho through connection sa mga ni-graduate pati itong unang panahon. And we also organize our chapters sa lahat ng ni-graduate. So, iba-ibang department, may kanya-kanyang chapters. In fact, we have around 100 plus chapters na. So, we are the mother alumni. And kaya po, every year, every July, month of July, nagkakaroon tayo ng annual General Assembly para dito natin ma-correct or ma-connect ang mga graduates. So, there are other graduates sa UM na nanginganan yung tabang o unsa pod ang atong matabang ginahatag po nato. So, the University of Mindanao Alumni Association will hold its annual General Assembly on 26th day of July this month. So, lahat ng incredible graduate of University of Mindanao, magkita ta karong 26. Kaya magtinabangay ta kung sa'y matabang naman sa inyo, kung sabay maayo, we will connect and we will add more memories for our alumni association.